Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel Tesco Bank Credit Card. To cancel your Tesco credit card, you'll first need to launch open a web browser. Type in tescobank.com in the URL box and search. Doing so will take you to the official website for Tesco Bank. From the main homepage, you will be able to see these options. Now once you end up in this main homepage of Tesco Bank, in order to cancel your credit card, scroll all the way down and click on the Contact Us button at the bottom of the screen. From the Contact Us tab, select Get Help with Credit Cards and you will be provided with a list of phone numbers you can call on in order to cancel your credit card. To contact the customer service, go ahead and select this phone number right next to credit cards customer service and make a phone call to this number. Speak to a representative that you'd like to cancel your phone number and then be prepared to verify your identity by answering security questions. You'll also need to pay any outstanding balances on your card before it closes. If you have a credit balance on your account, you will need to transfer it out before your account can be closed. So once you follow through the prompts provided by the customer service representative, you will be able to cancel your credit card. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.